The plant that I'm going to show you in this video is a compact palm tree that can be grown indoors or outdoors in warm climates. This indoor palm tree is known for its air-purifying qualities. It can remove toxins like formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, xylene, and benzene from your home or office space. There are many different types of palms that can be grown indoors and outdoors. Some of these include the lady palm, the bamboo palm, the Kensha palm, the windmill palm, the coconut palm, the fishtail palm, the date palm, the butterfly palm, the monstera palm, the silver date palm, the pencil palm, the cabbage palm, the jelly palm, and the Nigerian palm. There are also many other types of palms that can be grown indoors and outdoors. But the plant that I want to talk about in this video is the Areca palm. The botanical name for this beautiful palm is Dipsys. The word dipsys is derived from the Greek word dis, which means difficult, and eidos, which means form or appearance. This refers to the difficulty in identifying the genus, because it was only recently separated from the genus Howeia. The species name lutescens is derived from the Latin word luteus, meaning yellow, and essence, which means becoming. This refers to the yellowing of the leaves when the plant is grown in low light conditions. This tropical palm tree is native to the island of Madagascar, but it is now grown in many other tropical and subtropical regions around the world, including Florida, California, Arizona, Hawaii, and South Africa. The Areca palm grows naturally in moist, well-drained soil in areas with high rainfall and humidity. Areca palms are very popular houseplants because they are relatively easy to grow and maintain. They are also very attractive and add a touch of the tropics to any room. When grown indoors, they make an excellent addition to a living room, bedroom, office, or conservatory. The Areca palm grows into a small multi-stemmed palm tree with slender, drooping fronds. The leaves are a rich, dark green color and are highly ornamental. With proper care, this indoor palm tree can reach a maximum height of 20 feet or more. However, if grown in a container, it will remain much smaller, and by regular pruning, you can keep your Areca palm at a manageable height. In nature, the Areca palm grows into a large tree up to 60 feet in height with a single trunk. The trunk is often covered with leaf bases and looks like old brown cloth. In some cases, the trunk may be straight and cylindrical, but more often it is somewhat angular. If grown in a container, the Areca palm will remain much smaller, usually no more than 3 or 4 feet tall. These slow-growing trees have a lifespan of 10 years or longer when grown indoors. Areca palms prefer bright, indirect light, but can tolerate lower light levels. They should not be placed in direct sunlight, however, as this can scorch their leaves. Temperatures between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit are ideal for growth, but they can tolerate cooler temperatures down to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Just make sure that they are not exposed to cold drafts. You can tell when your Areca palm is happy because the new fronds will emerge first as tightly curled masses. Eventually, these will unfurl and become long, narrow blades. These graceful arching fronds can grow 3 feet or more in length and 1 foot in width. If your Areca palm is growing well, you should see new growth in the center of the plant all year round. This indoor palm tree should be watered thoroughly when the top inch or two of soil is dry. During the spring and summer growing season, this will usually be every week or two. During the winter months, you may find that you only need to water your Areca palm every 4 to 6 weeks, or even less frequently. Just make sure that you check the moisture levels in the soil before watering. You can use a moisture meter for best results. If you forget to water your Areca palm regularly, the fronds will turn brown and crispy and then drop off. If this happens, just water your palm thoroughly and deeply and then place it in an area with bright, indirect light. With proper care, your Areca palm will quickly recover. Areca palms prefer a soil pH between 5.5 and 6.5, which is slightly acidic. You can purchase a soil pH meter online to test your soil pH. You can adjust the soil pH by adding a handful of peat or compost to the top of the soil. The ideal humidity level for Areca palms is between 40 and 60%. If the air in your home is too dry, you may notice that the tips of the fronds start to turn brown and crispy and then break off. You can increase the humidity level by placing a humidifier nearby or by grouping your plants together. Grouping plants together helps to raise the humidity level because the plants will release moisture into the air through their leaves. Just make sure that you do not place the humidifier or another water source directly on top of your plant, as this could cause root rot. Areca palms prefer a warm temperature range of 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, but can tolerate cooler temperatures down to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Just make sure that they are not exposed to cold drafts, which could cause the roots to become damaged and the plant to die. If you live in a warm climate with mild winters, you can grow your Areca palm outdoors. This tree grows well in USDA hardiness zones 10 and 11. If you live in a colder climate, you can still grow this tree outdoors. Just plant it in a container and bring it inside during the winter months. Areca palms are not generally considered toxic to humans or animals, so they are a great choice if you have pets. However, if you notice that your cat or dog has eaten part of your plant, please contact your veterinarian immediately. Areca palms are a favorite among indoor plant enthusiasts because they are relatively easy to grow and maintain. They also produce small clusters of white flowers followed by round orange fruits, which are edible but not particularly tasty. If you live in a warm climate, you may also enjoy growing the Areca palm outdoors. This tree is a great addition to any landscape and provides beautiful year-round foliage. Areca palms are also a favorite among landscapers for use in commercial and residential settings. Areca palms are susceptible to a few common pests and diseases. These include fungal leaf spots, root rot, mealybugs, spider mites, and whiteflies. Fungal leaf spots can be treated with a fungicide. Root rot can be prevented by ensuring that the plant has good drainage and is not overwatered. mealybugs, and spider mites can be controlled with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Whiteflies can be controlled with a strong jet of water from a hose. In conclusion, the Areca palm is a beautiful indoor palm tree that is perfect for adding a touch of the tropics to your home. This palm is native to the island of Madagascar and grows naturally in moist, well-drained soil in areas with high rainfall and humidity. When grown indoors, the Areca palm makes an excellent addition to a living room, bedroom, or office. It is also a great choice for a conservatory. Areca palms are very popular houseplants because they are relatively easy to grow and maintain. They are also very attractive and add a touch of the tropics to any room. If you are looking for a beautiful indoor palm tree that is easy to care for, the Areca palm is a great choice. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, please subscribe and turn notifications on so that you never miss a new video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.